Babies are moving in her tummy. There it goes. See? See it kicking? It's kicking. There's our baby. There's the puppy. Oh my goodness, it's kicking like crazy. It's a miracle. It's just amazing to see something like that move inside her.
You know that it's not comfortable for her, right? Just like it's not comfortable for any woman who has a baby and has it kick.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not bothering. She's sleeping. It's not even phasing her. It's just, it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness.
It's like watching a sonogram.
It's like, let me out of here. It's dark. Is it time for me to come out yet? Oh my goodness.